as you can see here, these are the parts that I polish. With this right here, easy, like a few bucks at a store. Look at that, how it used to look and how it looks now. Barely can see it. I haven't even cleaned them. All I used was just a little rag and this right here. That's it. So if you got steel, aluminum, it says it right here. If you got stainless steel, aluminum, bronze, chrome, you know, brass, all that good stuff, copper, you can just use this. And it takes it right up. I would say let it sit in there for like a minute or two, and you'll smell the chemicals start to work. And after that, just wipe as much as you can. A little bit of elbow grease, and your rims will go from looking like this to looking like that. So, looks pretty good. This is the finished product. No buff. And that's how they look. Not the shiniest, but it gets the job done. Not too bad.